Reviewsinsidetv welcomes you back, and today we're spending time with a robot that's trying to erase one of the biggest annoyances in floor care, that constant hands-on maintenance that makes set it and forget it feel like a promise instead of a reality. This is the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo PowerDetect ThermaCharged NeverTouch Pro, model AV2900XE, a self-emptying, self-refilling, heated mop cleaning robot designed to vacuum and mop with as little human involvement as possible. At its core, this is a hybrid robot vacuum and mop, built for people who want regular floor maintenance without thinking about bins, water tanks, or dirty mop pads every day. It uses a bagless, self-emptying base with a claimed 60-day debris capacity, paired with a 30-day clean water tank that automatically refills the robot. The headline feature is the NeverTouch Pro base, which washes the mop using very hot water up to around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, then dries it with heated air so you're not dealing with a damp, smelly pad between runs. That matters in real life because traditional robot mops often just drag yesterday's dirt back across your floors. Suction and airflow are handled through Shark's PowerDetect system, which automatically adjusts power based on the floor type and the amount of dirt detected. In practical terms, that means it runs lighter on clean, hard floors and ramps up when it senses heavier debris or carpet. For buyers, this is about efficiency. You want enough suction to lift fine dust and pet hair, but you don't want the battery drained in half the house because the robot is running at full blast everywhere. Shark claims up to 3 hours of runtime thanks to its never-stop battery system, and in typical mixed floor homes, that translates to full coverage in a single session, with recharge and resume available if needed. Filtration is handled through a sealed system designed to trap fine dust and allergens once debris is transferred to the base. For allergy sufferers, this matters more than raw suction numbers. Keeping fine particles sealed away during emptying is one of the main reasons people move to self-emptying robots in the first place. The bin capacity inside the robot itself is small as expected, but because it auto-empties after cleaning, you rarely interact with it. On hard floors, the vacuuming performance is tidy and controlled. Fine dust, crumbs, and everyday debris are handled cleanly without scattering, helped by Edge Detect, which uses a directed burst of air to push debris away from walls and into the cleaning path. When mopping, the robot extends the mop closer to the edge, so you're not left with that familiar dusty strip along baseboards. The heated mop wash makes a noticeable difference in how fresh the pad feels after cleaning, and it reduces streaking compared to cold water systems. Carpets and rugs are where hybrid robots usually struggle, but this one manages transitions well, and PowerDetect automatically boosts suction on carpet, and the robot physically lifts the mop when it senses carpeted surfaces, so you're not dragging moisture where it doesn't belong. The dry guard system also drops the mop entirely during vacuum-only runs, which is reassuring if you have area rugs or wall-to-wall carpet mixed in with hard flooring. In real-world use, setup is straightforward. The base is large, so you do need floor space near a power outlet, but once it's placed, the robot handles the rest. Mapping is accurate enough to move logically through rooms, and the never-stuck charge technology helps it lift itself over low obstacles like thresholds and thick rug edges. Under furniture, it performs best in spaces with moderate clearance. Very low sofas can still be a challenge, which is normal for robots with top-mounted sensors. Pet hair pickup is solid on hard floors and low-pile rugs. Long hair does still wrap around the brush over time, but cleaning it out is manageable and less frequent than with older robot designs. Noise levels are what you'd expect for a powerful robot vacuum. It's noticeable, especially in higher suction modes, but not jarringly loud. And the base is louder briefly when emptying, though that only lasts a few seconds. Quick pause here. If you're enjoying these deep dives into cleaning tech and want more honest takes like this, give the video a like, subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next review. Floors get dirty fast, and new gadgets keep promising miracles, so we're here to sort out what actually works. Living with it day to day, the biggest advantage is how little you interact with it. You're not emptying a bin every run, not refilling a tank every few days, and not touching a grimy mop pad. That's the experience Shark is selling here, and it mostly delivers. The main limitations are the size of the base and the price point. This is not a compact solution for small studios, and it's an investment compared to basic robot vacuums. Build quality feels reassuring. The plastics are sturdy, the base feels solid, and the mechanisms for mop lifting, docking, and washing don't feel flimsy. Maintenance is mostly limited to occasionally topping up cleaning solution, replacing or washing the mop pad, and checking the brush roll for hair. Filters will need periodic cleaning or replacement, but access is simple, and nothing feels overly delicate. In terms of value for money, this robot sits in the premium hybrid category. You're paying for automation, heated mop cleaning, and long hands-free intervals. Compared to simpler robot vacuum and mop combos that require frequent tank refills and manual pad washing, this offers a clear upgrade in convenience. Against other high-end robot mop systems, its strength is the heated wash and drying, which reduces odors and bacteria buildup. If you mostly have carpet and don't care about mopping, this is overkill. But for homes with lots of hard floors, pets, or busy schedules, the value becomes easier to justify. When compared with other modern robot vacuum and mop combos in this price range, the Shark stands out for its hands-off maintenance and aggressive edge cleaning. Some competitors may offer slightly quieter operation or more compact bases, while others focus more on advanced app controls or object recognition. Where this one wins is in physical cleaning mechanics, especially mop hygiene and debris handling over long periods without user involvement. Long-term durability looks promising, based on the solid construction and Shark's track record with sealed bases and motors. Battery degradation is always something to watch with robots, but the ability to recharge and resume helps offset that over time. There's nothing here that feels experimental or fragile. Wrapping it all up, this is a robot designed for people who want clean floors without thinking about them. It's best suited for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets, pet owners who deal with constant hair, and anyone who values automation over compact design. It's not the cheapest option, and it's not meant for tiny spaces, but it delivers on its promise of reducing daily maintenance while keeping floors genuinely clean. Thanks for watching Reviewsinside TV. If you want to check out this robot for yourself, you'll find the product link waiting in the comments box. Drop your questions below or share your experience if you're already using one of these at home. Goodbye till next time, and remember, a cleaner floor means fewer surprises under your feet.